अस्सलाम वालेकुम, हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। माय चैनल नेम इज़ नदीम इन्फो। मेरे चैनल को शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ में दिए गए बेल आइकन के बटन को भी दबा दें ताकि हमारे आने वाले इस नई वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। चलिए एवरीवन, बढ़ते हैं आज की वीडियो की जानिब। आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी 1400 इजी टॉपिक्स फॉर ग्रुप डिस्कशंस विद यूर स्टूडेंट्स। गेट यूर 1000 ग्रुप डिस्कशन टॉपिक आइडियाज़ एंड अंडरस्टैंड द की वेज टू हैव productive discussions with your students. Are you searching for new ways to keep your students on their toys? Sometimes it can feel overwhelming, always looking for new fun and upbeat ways to keep your students engaged and entertained in your group discussions. Helping your students feel compelled to participate in group of discussions and has proven to be beneficial in more ways than one. Besides the fact that it can help strengthen the bonds of your community, whether it can be online or in-person, group discussions are an important part of the learning process for this student. Group discussions helping them learn how to communicate effectively with others. They promote a deeper understanding and help increase long-term information retention. Group discussions can also help increase students' attention and help maintain their focus by involving them in the learning process. In this article, we will discuss why group discussions are so beneficial to the learning environment. We have also included some templates with a ton of easy topics for group discussions that can help you build a strong learning environment for your students. If you know what you are looking for, a right way, feel free to jump around and explore. Right, we use the AI generators over 1400 discussions topics that you can filter by category and age group. Skip ahead here. Benefits of group discussions in online courses and communities. Easy topics for group discussion. GD topics to avoid, how to have a successful group discussions. 14,000 group discussions topic categories. Benefits of group discussions in online courses and learning communities. While we already mentioned some of the major benefits of group discussions, we just want to highlight the importance of group discussions in online courses and communities. The purpose of having interesting discussions topic in an online courses, it is provide opportunities for students to interact with each other. They contact and the instructor. There are already certain barriers to learning in an online community, such as self-motivation, distractions, and isolations, to name a few, which is why it is even more critical to engage your students in a fun and meaningful way. Sometimes it is hard for more traditional classroom experience to translate nicely into engaging online learning experience. Introducing new topics to discuss in a group at the beginning of each class could be the key to making your online courses effective, because social interactions, especially in the online learning community, foster meaningful communication and involvement become between your students. Social element like incorporating interesting topics to discuss in a group and complement online courses, because they may enable social learning, peer-to-peer sports, and students to sport. They are also enable students to hold each other accountable for learning goals while creating a sense of community and belonging. Adding different topics for discussion and discussion in learning communities is another great and effective way for students to collaborate and connect with another. A learning community is a shared place for discussion, so why not spice up your instructions by throwing in some throughout provoking and interesting topics and discuss in a group online via in-person group discussions. Now that we have covered some of the benefits of group discussions in online courses and communities, let's discuss whether it is better to have online or in-person group discussions. We found purpose and accountability in learning communities, regardless if they are from online or in-person group discussions. This type of traditionally learning in classroom is currently being sidelined as the online classroom learning style has gained popularity in recent years. However, there are some upsides and downsides to each option, which we will cover. Online group discussions. The study of over 1,000 adults across the US to understand how people use communities online for learning and education concluded that 27% said they have trust in the knowledge of their peers in another community. 45 said they value diverse opinions. Online communities also space for respectful way to learn and can change the way students see the world. 37% said that appreciates a non-mediating judgmental space in an online community. 37% said they value the shared collective experience pursuit. 52% agree that it is easier to find others who share interests and passions in a community online where in-person people can participate from the comfort of their homes or office. They do not need to travel to a classroom learning. There are also no travel costs or facility rental cost. Students can join in no matters where they are in the world. Cons: participants needs to have the correct technology, a computer with a webcam, and typically certain browser configuration. This can limit population is to only people who have the equipment, which narrows down the participant range. हमारे चैनल को शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।